Yesterday we had a very interesting workshop at the DISH 2013. This is an event with many professionals from digital cultural heritage. There was an excellent attendance to our workshop about the training and professionalism of heritage professionals in the digital arena, that is vis-à-vis the challenges that today's technology poses to the digital, to cultural heritage world. Presentations concern mainly the current opportunities for education and training, both at academic level and regarding lifelong learning. It was pointed out that initiatives at higher education should be better coordinated at European level, and good practices concerning lifelong learning should be shared. So people from the public commented that something is happening in some countries. Unfortunately, this is not common to all European countries, so the best practice should be shared, and knowledge should be transferred to improve the overall level of digital skills among cultural heritage professionals.